Hey, my people. This one a big girl, my people, for Ned. For Regina, Daniel and him mama. I won't see how they won't continue do now. Ned, the Olokpa don't arrest Ned, you. They don't arrest Ned because he collect widow land. He collect widow woman land. Ned, they don't arrest Ned. Now, Ned, they police station as I they talk to us, so my people. Hi guys, welcome back to Mama SOJ vlog. How you guys doing? My name is Mama SOJ. If you are new here, you are welcome. And if you are returning subscriber, God bless you as you always come back to watch my video. And if you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Subscribe so that you will not miss any of my updates about the celebrities. So guys, let's get into the video. Those of una when I don't know Regina na one of the Nollywood actress wey be say she dey act movie. And those of una when I don't know Nedi Nwanko na Regina husband wey be say they get one child together. So news don't reach our side say Regina husband Nedi Nwanko say they don't arrest him. Say he take widow land. Say the land no belong to Nedi Nwanko. Say he just caused the woman pain. Say he just called the woman pain for no reason. Say the woman they cry. Say the land where he collect now where the woman for they do her farm where be say she take they feed her children where be say her husband live before her husband die. Now Nedi Nwanko don't come take over the land. Say when the woman they farm for the land, Nedi Nwanko carry Olokpa people can't say pursue the woman come out for the land. Say they say the Olokpa people said because of saying Nedi Nwanko don't bribe them. So Nedi Nwanko let them beat the woman because the woman insists say she know they come up for the farm. Say Nedi Nwanko put life for the woman head. Say now the woman they feel pain, the woman they cry up and down say she need help. After the elderly people grant interview, when we say the interview can't go viral, when we say everybody can't see say the thing wey be say Ned read the way you do people. A lot of people say he did very bad. Say especially this woman own. He worst. Now the Olokpa people come quick involved. Say okay oh. So everything when Ned come they tell us is all this. They say now lie now they lie. We go to say now he get all the land. Now he get this one. They say Olokpa don't pursue a lot of people tired for different land. Say Ned the one go just say the place big. He go just talk say make they go carry them come up for the farm where they for they do the farm saying now he get them from there he go build house on top he go oppress the people the poor people because of say he get money. Later now he will use all the money where he gets now where they make he go use that they marry different women they buy them cars. You mean I see like Regina wey be say Regina if to say Nedi Nwanko sef no get money Regina no go marry him. Now he make Regina mama go carry Regina go press her for Nedi Nwanko neck because of the money wey be say Nedi Nwanko get. Make people just look Regina and Nedi Nwanko. You know say Regina no just fit Nedi at all. Nedi too old for Regina. Regina just be like Nedi granddaughter. This Nedi he dey very wicked. Now very wicked man. Widow wey be say you supposed to help. You no get any orphanage home for that community. Nothing. You no even open one school. Say, okay, oh, I just dash out to the poor people. Make the poor children they go. Make I just they pay everything about their school fees. You know, do one for the community. All waiting you they do for that community now to take their land. You oppress them. They no go fit talk. You go carry police. If they talk, you use police, they close their mouth. You not be saying you collect person land, say you even give her money, say okay, go start business. I need this land, sell her for me. Say you go even pay them money, it not be like that. Imagine person will be saying your husband, they don't get anything before the husband, and only the land where the woman for the farm. When we say after now that farm, now she feel use and take feed the children, take care of the children, make them go school. You will still go there, you know even mercy for the widow, say okay, oh. You instead of making you even support the woman or tell the woman, okay, you won't sell the land, make her buy. Or make you pay the woman, make she start business, give her a better house. No, you don't do like that. You collect the land, now the children, they die in hunger. The woman children, they sick because they don't see better food eat. The woman don't get money to take pay for the children hospital. And me, I pray say me Nigeria Olopa no later go leave Ned, because Ned mind dey back. Ned na person wey be say he just wan use money till they sleep around with different women, young girls. Make sure they use the money, make they use the money till they buy their destiny. And all those young girls go think say na Ned money then they chop. They don't know say Ned don't use that money to buy their destiny finish. This Ned na wicked, heartless woman being. This Ned did not be woman being at all. For you to do like this to your own community, people will be say everybody for that community before they come start to the grant interview. Me na go Google, me na go look how many people will be say they put for them, will be say Ned don't collect their land, when Ned don't cause them pain. They not be small. They many. Ned, I don't know how you take they sleep when you they cause people pain. I don't know whether blood no they float for inside that your body. I no understand. Because women when you see put for jail, fear no go let them free talk to you because of the money where you get. All those your wife, both the senior wives them, fear no go let them free talk to you because of the money. And they use the money till they shut their mouth up. They know they feel they talk to you. Say what you they do, they very bad. Say you they cause the poor people pain. You no help them, but you see they collect the little things where we say they get for that village. Because Nigeria Olopa people, me na no collect bribe, but me na own Ned. Wetin the woman talk na true na the woman they talk. The woman no lie, na true na the woman they talk. Nigeria Olopa, me na owe the Ned where me na no let am go, even though he bribe, but me na no take bribe. Because na no go just fit take a bribe from Ned. Ned go do am another day, and he go continue to dey do and they go because those people no get money to fight for their rights. Because of say Ned get money for that Nigeria. Na poor people now they go prison for Nigeria. Rich people know they go prison for Nigeria. Now only poor people now they lock for prison. When the rich people do something, they go let them go scot-free because they go collect bribe. But when the poor people do little things like this, they go lock them for inside prison. When we say they're not going to even remember, say they need to go to court, make court even decide whether they go free them or not. So a lot of people may not leave this Ned, because if not leave him, he go do another one way past like that. Because before all the community they come outside, say Ned in a wicked man, say they collect their land, it they cause them pain. All the women wait there for community, Ned don't sleep with all of them finish. And later Ned go come tell us for interview say he go come grant interview say he dey help the women because many dey there will be say that they no get work, will be say that they poor now make it they marry them. So you know if you train them go school without you know marry them. You know if you help all those young girls when you talk say they know that they poor, that they for streets, they hustle. You know if you help them without you know marry them, they sleep with them. Ned. So my people, as I hear this news where we say they talk say they don't arrest Ned. Now to make I come share am with one of my people. So my people, I go like to end the video for here. If one never subscribe, me na subscribe so that one no go miss any celebrity gist way I dey upload. On a bye bye till I come on our way next time. Bye guys. See you guys in my next video. Bye guys.